Ayla, turn on the light. That one. Good. Charlie. Charlie, wake up. Wake up, Charlie. Come on, boy. Come on. Oh, got the eyes open. Hello. Good afternoon, Charlie. I know it sucks. Get up, Charlie. Ariel, what are you doing? Ariel, how old are you now?
Mommy, and Mommy.
How old are you?
Mommy.
Say, I'm 3.
And 3.
Yay! How old are you, Charlie? Say, I'm a week old, Mom. What? What? Ariel, what are you doing? Cut, red-handed. What were you messing with just then? Yep.